So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a camera flash effect on Premiere Pro. Now in order to get that, just simply in the project section click on this option, click on file right there, click on new, and here you need to click on this option of color matte. Select a white color matte right there. Now once you create it under this section, uh, again let me quickly get that. Once you get the color matte, just simply drag and drop it to your video. Now just simply make it of one frame right there. For example, if I go over there and cut it for every frame right there, you'll notice a effect that will be like a camera flash will appear right in front of you. For example, let's say if I delete these much, then again copy it multiple times, the smaller clip. Just simply press Windows plus V on your keyboard, do it for multiple times, and you'll notice that a camera flash effect have been already created on the video. Just simply let me quickly show you. Here you can see, if I show you here, you can see a camera flash will appear right in front of you. Or to make it look even more better, what you can do, just simply select that particular effect as well. Let me quickly get it. And here under this section of opacity, set the blend mode to darken or dissolve. Right there I would recommend scene or darken, lighten. Now you'll notice that it will look more authentic. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.